Orchids are a popular plant for gifting because they're easy to grow and the blooms last for months. But many people don't realize that you need to repot an orchid, and it's a lot easier than you might think. The first thing to do is prepare your orchid media by soaking it in water for 30 minutes before repotting. The best time to repot a moth orchid is right after it's done blooming. Start by cutting off the bloom spike. Then remove the plant from the pot and clear off any potting materials. You should see healthy green roots, and you'll need to identify the brown and dead roots. You'll know which roots are dead because they will be hollow or squishy or completely dried up. The living roots will be firm, plump, and green. Now with clippers, cut away the dead roots. Don't worry, the plant won't mind. Next, select a pot just big enough to hold all the roots. Clear plastic pots with extra drainage are preferred so you can monitor the health of the roots, and it will allow the roots to more easily photosynthesize. Add a handful of your pre-soaked orchid bark to the new pot. Add in your orchid, then scoop in more handfuls of bark until it covers the roots. Now pack the bark into the roots with a small stick or tool. Make sure that the plant is stable and not falling out of the pot. Finally, add some water to your newly potted orchid and enjoy. Remember that moth orchids are tropical epiphytes, meaning they grow on other trees in nature and need a lot of air circulation. One of the most common mistakes made with orchids is overwatering them or keeping them in a pot that doesn't drain. With good air circulation, drainage, and a little bit of TLC, your orchids will be healthy and bloom again in about a year. For more information about growing orchids and other plants, be sure to visit Gardening Solutions or your local county extension office.